Do you work on Excel and have to create different format and trackers? Then you understand the importance of formatting. Raw data in Excel sheets is confusing, dull, and difficult to read and understand without formatting. To make data look more interesting and descriptive, formatting is often used. A good formatting method helps you to find meaning in the spreadsheet without the trouble of going through each and every individual cell. Cells with good formatting will draw your attention to the important cells automatically. There are various elements to formatting, but the important ones are font, font style, and font size, background color of the cells and the color of the text in the cell, borders of the cells, alignment of the text in the cells, text wrapping and orientation. But to do that, there are a lot of mouse movements and key presses required. Doing formatting in multiple sheets and multiple sections can not only be boring, but also tiring. What if you could auto-format the data in Excel using just one keyboard button? Look at this example, data is completely out of format. Now notice the action using just one key press. It automatically formatted the data in the desired format. Let's look at another example. Tada, so simple. This can be done in very simple way. Watch the video till end to know the trick. To do this, go to Google. Type Auto Hotkeys and enter. Open the first link. Auto Hotkey page will open up. Click on Download Auto Hotkey version 1.1. Once the file downloads, open the file. Select Express installation. Once it is installed, click on Run Auto Hotkey. Now minimize or close the window. Go to Desktop, right-click, go to New and select Auto Hotkey script. File name can be anything. Now, right-click on the file and select Edit Script. Now open the text file which contains the code, download link in description. Copy the complete text and paste it in the script text file as shown. Save the file and close it. Now, right-click on the script file and select Run Script. It's done. Let's see how it works. Consider this sample data. Here the formatting is completely out of place. Cell width are not proper. Cell height is not proper. Some cells are in bold and some are in italic. Now let's look at another example. Here, again the cell width and height are not proper. Few cells has filled colors. The alignment is not proper. Another example, cell height is too much. Table border is not proper. Last example, here the cell text alignment is not proper. Font size is not uniform. Cell width and height out of place. Now let's do the magic. Alt+P is mapped to the code. To trigger the code, just select the first cell of the table and press Alt+P. Let's use this in second example. Ta-da, it's done. Let's use it in third and fourth example data. As you can see, the cell alignment, text formatting, cell border, everything is done with just one key. I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more such productivity hacks, consider subscribing to the channel. Please share in comments what else you want to automate in Excel. I will be glad to share the script codes and tutorial with you.